I found a machine, but as you can see, there is no Aeromexico on there. Alright, just chilling with my bags at the airport. That guy just told me 20 minutes the gate opens for Aeromexico and we're not allowed to use the machines until then. Yeah, I have to wear this hat because it doesn't go in my bag, obviously. Luggage checked. I am grabbing a coffee at Juan Valdez. I just confirmed there's no real food on the other side from like Juan Valdez and stuff, so get it here before you go through security check. Got the coffee, obviously, but my go-to here, Cinnabon. Just walking over, one last view of it before I leave the majestic mountain. Cotopaxi. Look at that. Time to board my flight. Mexico City first 4 hours.